You lost someone you loved. Or maybe a dream you held onto for years slipped away. The pain feels unbearable. And you wonder, how do I keep living with this hole in my heart? Allah gave the answer. Tawakkul. Loss is the hardest test. It shakes you. It makes you question why. But Allah reminds us in the Quran.
الذين إذا أصابتهم
Those who, when disaster strikes them, say, "Indeed, we belong to Allah, and indeed to Him we will return." It is they upon whom are blessings from their Lord and mercy. And it is they who are rightly guided. We don't own the people we love. We don't own the dreams we chase. Everything is Allah's gift, and every gift returns to Him. Tawakkul in grief doesn't mean you stop feeling pain. It means you trust that your pain has a purpose. It means you believe the one who took knows what you cannot see. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The greater the trial, the greater the reward." So every tear, every broken moment, if met with trust in Allah, becomes mercy, guidance, and reward. Tawakkul whispers to your heart, this loss will not destroy you. Allah is holding you together. Comment, Ya Allah, grant me patience and trust in you. Save this reminder for the nights your heart aches with loss. Follow for more Quranic comfort and hope.